Today I will show you a new way to create and discover short, entertaining videos on Instagram. Curious? Hi, if you're new to this channel and you want to discover everything about social media marketing, social media advertising and online sales funnels, then start now by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. And I'll promise you that I will give you a ton of valuable information. Instagram announced Instagram Reels, a new way to create and discover short, entertaining videos. Reels invites you to create fun videos to share with your friends or anyone on Instagram. Record and edit 15 seconds multi-clip videos with audio, effects and new creative tools. You can share Reels with your followers in feed, and if you have a public account, you can make them available to a wider Instagram community through a new space in Explore. Reels in Explore offers anyone the chance to become a creator on Instagram and reach new audience on a global stage. Select Reels at the bottom of the Instagram camera. You'll see a variety of creative editing tools on the left side of your screen to help create your reel, including audio. Search for a song from the Instagram library. You can also use your own original audio by simply recording a reel with it. When you share a reel with original audio, your audio will be attributed to you, and if you have a public account, people can create reels with your audio by selecting Use Audio from your reel. AR effects. Select one of the many effects in Instagram Effect Gallery created by Instagram and creators all over the world to record multiple clips with different effects. Timer and countdown. Set the timer to record any of your clips hands-free. Once you press record, you'll see a 3, 2, 1 countdown before recording begins for the amount of time you selected. Align. Line up objects from your previous clip before recording your next to help create seamless transitions for moments like outfit changes or adding new friends into your reel. Speed. Choose to speed up or slow down part of the video or audio you selected. This can help you stay on a beat or make slow motion videos. Reels can be recorded in a series of clips, one at a time, all at once, or using video uploads from your gallery. Record the first clip by pressing and holding the capture button. You'll see a progress indicator at the top of the screen as you record. Stop recording to end each clip. You can share Reels with your followers or get discovered by the larger Instagram community in Explore. If you have a public account, you can share your reel to a dedicated space in Explore, where it has the chance to be seen by the wider Instagram community. You can also share your reel with your followers by posting it to your feed. When you share reels featuring certain songs, hashtags or effects, your reel may also appear on dedicated pages when someone clicks on that song, hashtag or effect. If you have a private account, Reels follows your private settings on Instagram. You can share to feed so only your followers can see your reel. People will not be able to use original audio from your reels, and people cannot share your reels with others who don't follow you. Once your reel is ready, move to the share screen where you can save a draft of your reel, change the cover image, add a caption and hashtags, and tag your friends. After you share your reel, it will live on a separate Reels tab on your profile where people can find the reels you've shared. If you also share to your feed, your reel will appear on your main profile grid, so you have the option to remove it. Whether you have a public or private account, you can share your reel to your story, close friends or in a direct message. If you do so, your reel will behave like a regular story. It will not be shared to Reels in Explore. It will not appear on your profile and it will disappear after 24 hours. Reels in Explore showcases the best of trending culture on Instagram. Discover an entertaining selection of Reels made by anyone on Instagram in a vertical feed customized for you. If you love a Reel, you can easily like, comment or share it with your friends. You'll also see some Reels with the featured label. If your Reel is featured in Explore, you'll receive a notification. Featured Reels are a selection of public Reels chosen by Instagram to help you discover original content we hope will entertain and inspire you. Reels gives people new ways to express themselves, discover more of what they love on Instagram, and help anyone with the ambition of becoming a creator take center stage. If you find this information valuable, then please subscribe for this channel. Join our online marketing community and e-learning center for free, where we provide entrepreneurs, digital marketeers, local business owners, coaches and consultants like you with information, strategies and support necessary to increase your online marketing knowledge, sales and growth on your way to financial freedom. I will also share our resource page where you can find all the resources and top tools we read, tested or use and strongly recommend you for building and optimizing your business. Your favorite social media channel to stay in contact with us you can also find in the comment section below. And last but not least, please share your questions, ideas and comments with us. We would love to engage with you. My name is Gerby Bulow and I'm the founder of Social Media Gids. Now let's get started, get connected, get informed and get active.